Namaste. So today's video is about Neville Goddard's ladder technique. And you have come across this or not, I don't know, but it's very confusing and it did confuse me quite a bit. And I had several discussions with so many known people about this method, and I'm putting it in a very simplified form for you. I hope so. So what Neville Goddard in his ladder technique says is, first of all, you will start imagining about a ladder that you do not want to climb. So you will just think of climbing the ladder first. Okay. So imagine a scenario where you're just constantly telling yourself every day before sleeping, let's say for 3 consecutive days, you will imagine yourself climbing a ladder. So you will think about what color the ladder is, where you have the ladder, how you are climbing it. So every day before sleeping, you are training your subconscious mind, because subconscious mind is most active when you're almost about to fall asleep. So just before you fall asleep, you are thinking about one ladder and how you are going to climb this ladder. That is what you will do during the night time. And during the daytime, you will write, I will not climb the ladder. I will not climb the ladder. So you will keep telling, I will not climb the ladder. So this is a very weird way of using how your subconscious mind works. So by constantly telling your subconscious mind, ladder, 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 whether you want to climb it, whether you want to not climb it, but you keep your intentions, all about ladder, ladder there. So the ladder is the catchword. So now simply replace the ladder word with anything that you want to desire. Let's say you want to attract a very, very beautiful, crazy, luxurious life and a job. So first few days, you will imagine how this life is going to change your world. You've attracted billions of dollars and you have the best job in the world. Just before sleeping, you'll close your eyes, you will visualize how you are walking in and out of luxurious cars and you're, visiting great hotels, you're traveling, good resorts, and your paycheck of the great job that you have, got. Now, once you do that, during the daytime, you will say, I will not go and attend this job. I will not live luxurious life. So I won't do this. I won't do this. Now, the chances are Neville Goddard has tried this experiment. After 3 days, the 4th day, always his students have landed up in a situation where they had to climb the ladder. So chances are, once you do this manifestation technique, you will be faced with situations where you have to attend a job interview of your dreams, or you will be faced with so much luxury and money and windfall money suddenly coming to you. We don't know what will happen. So don't worry about how the universe is going to give you these things by practicing this technique. All you will focus is on what you will do, what you will follow stepwise. So other than that, do not worry on how is this going to happen, because probably the focus is on subconscious mind and the words that you will tell the subconscious mind. So I'll tell you one simple story in order for you to understand it in a more simple way. So let's say there is a God A and God B. So someone is so into God A that they always are afraid if they are met with God B. So they keep praying, and every day at 11 o'clock, this person has to pray God A, and they are scared of God B and they never want to pray God B. So turns out this lady happens to go to a place where there is both God A and God B together as one statue. And then the time is 11, so she has to pray God A. Now she can't ignore the God A because there is God B. So she keeps offering the prayers to the statue with flowers and says, this is not for God B. Then she offers water to the God. It is not for God B. So she keeps thinking about, this is not for God B. This is not for God B, rather than focusing on, this is for God A. So when she focuses so much on God B, the god bee just appears in front of her and asks her, so tell me, how can I make your wishes happen? Or how do I fulfill your wishes? And she's in shock. How did this happen? So now you cannot not ask for your wishes, right? So similarly, so whenever you focus on one thing and you obsess on one thing and you fear from that thing, you are like, no, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. So the more you keep thinking negatively or too much about this one thing that you don't want to do or do, the manifestation comes right in front of you and you will be faced with scenarios where you have to make sure you go ahead with that situation or scenario. Universe works in funny ways and let's make most use of this. This is what I feel. So if you still are confused, then I'm sharing a bit of steps as well on how to do this process. And I hope we all will try this method. So replace the ladder with anything. Let it be your career, health, wealth, financial stability, freedom, independence, marriage, childbirth. Just replace the ladder word with your wish or desire and see how beautifully the subconscious will help you manifest things so easily. The chances are, if you follow it rightly, then the fourth day you will be faced with a scenario where you attract your desire right there for you. So do this and let me know once you have done this after 3 or 4 days. Comment below on how you were attracting the things that you feared or you faced your subconscious mind with some fear and rejection and I'm not going to do this. So or also you can comment on your daily life situations where now you can, recognize, oh yeah, I used to always fear heights or I always used to fear something and I constantly used to say, this should not happen, this should not happen. And the scenarios have actually come true and they have happened in your life. So I have faced certain situations where I'm like, you know what, I feel very tired if I do this. So I do not want to be faced with something like this. And always I've ended up, feeling tired because those scenarios just keep coming at me. So it's important for us to utilize this disadvantage into our advantage. That is what I would like to add here. And it's a very beautiful method given by Neville Goddard through his research about manifestation. Many more manifestation techniques will come up in my videos. So do make sure you engage with my content and you can be with my channel to see what else is there in my channel. Thank you so much. Namaste.